Alright, what's going on, everybody? Back with another video. Got my PCI Sideskirts in. Gonna throw these on. I probably won't make this be much of a detailed installation because my videos don't really get much views. So, just gonna take these side skirts off. I just gotta take out that one screw, backside, forward. Upside of it having a manual steering rack, I can easily just turn the wheel left or right without having a key inside. Let's get into this video. I ain't gonna do the whole like, comment, subscribe thing, even though I just did it. But yeah. Alright, so my PCI side skirts is here. I'm gonna try and throw these on really quick. You put the brackets onto the side skirts, you place it, you mark it with a marker, then you drill. So it's pretty simple, self-explanatory. Hopefully I don't have to trim the beginning pieces because the videos I've seen, they have to trim a little bit around where the bottom of the fender is. I was about to go off. I'm like, how the hell they send the side skirts with no brackets and no bolts? Alright, so what I did, or what I realized you could do, you bolt the mount, well, you bolt the bracket onto the side skirt, and then you pretty much sit it, but you kind of like put it under. And you got like a marker, go under, you mark under where the brackets lay at, and then you mark the slits to where the drill at. Pretty much do it all across. Also, you want these to lay flat, so see how mines are kind of like coming downward and some is up. So we'll get like some pliers or whatever and just lift up because you want this to be flat, because you want the side skirt to like be straight across. These are the Allen heads. I already placed the brackets where they should be at, so I don't gotta really do much adjusting. I gotta give y'all a real good look at these side skirts on this car. And this is a really, really good setup that I got going on. Track spoon look. Wasn't too hard to put them on. Wasn't too hard. I don't know if y'all were expecting a install video, but y'all don't really watch my videos that much, so I didn't think I'll get this far so fast. Like, I didn't think I'll get everything done in time and get everything I need in time. But, hey, I made it happen. Side skirts are on. Front bumper is off. It's in the TSX along with the Mugen wing. The side pieces. I'm more than likely probably going to head over to Jerry's garage. Chill with him over there, see what's going on with the bubble. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh yeah, I finally got my face fixed up. I gotta start keeping up with lineups. Like, I never keep up with lineups at all. I just be going out looking like whatever. Cause I already know I'm going to get dirty. I don't go anywhere to look nice. I just be comfortable in my own skin. I ain't fuck up. I ain't say comfortable this time. Gonna clean up the shop a little bit. Well, not shop, but clean up the garage. I decided to do my air duct also as well. This came out really, really mint. All I did was just sanded it down with some 400 grit, smooth it out with 800, and then I hit it with some primer, like 3 coats of that, 2 coats of sealer, some flat black, and some Duplicolor 1K clear. I don't have any 2K clear right now, but it looks pretty damn good. Spoon stickers came in for the wheels, so I'm gonna probably throw these on before I head out, before I head to Jerry's. So let's see if we can get Jerry car up and running because it taps out at like 4,000 RPM, like lamp mode, and it sounds like it's hitting 2-step. So I think that's the issue. Is it has a rev limiter set at like 4,000 or 4,400 RPMs, and you can't drive the car past that. All right, so before I even bother putting these on, I'm gonna wipe the wheel down with some wax and grease remover, because I want these things to pretty much be married to these wheels. Alright, that's one. That should look good. It's the little details, bro. That's all it is, the details. I think I probably put this one a little too far out. But I got some new ones coming too. I ordered the blue ones. I couldn't find the blue ones before, but now I'll find them soon as they get here. But alright, that's enough of me and my baby girl. Let's go to Jerry's. Yeah, probably with the way the temperature is now, it probably would drop down to like 175. But that's how mine was before I swapped out my fan. So definitely the fan. That's not, pulling enough out of it.
It feels so raw. I want niggas to think it's a show car. Don't get it twisted, nigga. I will be at the line. I will be at the line.
Alright, so it's the next day. Brought the laptop. See if we get this thing to rev out now. There was a rev limiter on at like 45,000 RPMs or so around here. Definitely gotta do something with that battery terminal. It should open up now.
I just know it's going through. I don't know. It needs to tune bad though.
Yeah.
And I gotta get something else. I'm just figuring out because, bro, it's like this.
Oh, the alignment.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sounding better. That shit was running way too rich.
It was more like, whoa.
Yeah. Now it's like I took fuel out, so it's not, flooding the motor now. When you did that shit, I forgot what car I was in. I tried to do a pull with you with the TSX. I'm like, oh shit, I'm in the TSX. Alright, so back at the garage, you see Jerry made it on a dyno last night. And my neighbor is outside with his toys, so I'm gonna show you that in a second. So like, I'm gonna just show you that right now. So come look at this. This is beautiful. And I'm like the only one here with a Honda.
Yeah, this is her car, not mine.
Yeah.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Wow.
She owned this is new.
I bought it brand new. I sent it out west like not even a year after I bought it.
It had a big blower in it, you know, chrome, all that whole route.
Yeah.
And we were down, I don't know, we were in one of the like rented center with the metal, you know, the whole thing was metal, just whatever temperature it was is whatever temperature. Every year I was replacing, everything rusted, man, just from the hot, cold,
just
and things
the
sweating.
temperature and moisture and all that getting in there.
This place, yeah, it's not cheap, but
Right. But it's
I
worth
mean,
it.
just the money you save from, especially gas.
Exactly.
Anything. That temperature is what kills
Yep.
everything.
Evaporation on the gas in the gas
Yeah,
tank.
yeah,
Yep.
Yeah, I hate the hot, cold, so it's a bitch, but it's worth
It's
the
worth
money,
it.
especially
It
if you got
definitely
nice
is.
stuff. Anything. You know,
Exactly. That's a big dog too.
Yeah, say hi.
Say hi for the camera.
Say hi, Santa.
Yeah, they got some shit over there, bro. Corvette LS3 with a charger on it, pushing 980. He said that's crazy, and I think I'm the only one over here with a fucking Honda. It's a fucking Honda. But yeah, so I got the bumper back. It matches so much better than before, and the fitment so much better too. My guy Ant did his fucking thing, bro. He did his thing. Also got the side pieces to the Mugen wing is on. Jerry has the middle portion. He either gonna trim black it. Well, first he's gonna try to do the carbon wrap on it. And if the carbon wrap don't work out, then he's just gonna trim black it like he did all his other black pieces. I'm honestly surprised at how I kind of like paced these videos for like the last 3-4 weeks for Bokies. We're pretty much ready for Bokies now. Jerry is ready for Bokies. I think also we might be going to that meet on Wednesday as well. Out there in Milford. Should be a good turnout. It's like a legit meet where like no one is revving their cars. Nobody doing any donuts. It's not that takeover bullshit. Usually we always get there late. I don't know why we always go to meets late all the time. We plan on leaving early, but never actually leave early. Meet could start at 7. We'll show up like an hour before the meet is over. I don't know, maybe because we're colored. I don't know. Also, Jerry hooked me up with this. Hooked me up with a can of the Frost White. So you could do the touch-up paint on like spots like this and all this. I told him, yo, he told me how to do it, but knowing me, I'll fuck up. So he said he'll take care of it sometime this week before Brokies. When you want to get ahead in life, you separate yourself from a lot of people that used to drink. I'll be at Brokies this Sunday, October 9th. My VIP numbers, shit, I gotta check my email. I'm gonna be meeting up with Oscar. Y'all know Oscar with the supercharged RSX. More than likely, I'm gonna be meeting up with Benji as well with the white RSX. RSX Lombardi with the red, I think it's burgundy red, with the wide body, the turbo one. Muhammad with the S2000. We're all rolling out together, and I guess whoever else that's gonna be with us. I'm literally gonna be walking around getting footage for like the next video of my time at Brokies. So I'll see you guys Sunday. Peace out.